Are you spending hours on Pinterest, pinning beautiful images, and hoping for a flood of affiliate sales, only to hear crickets? You see the potential, you know people are on Pinterest to buy, but your efforts just aren't translating into clicks, let alone commissions. It feels like you're just throwing content into the void. If that sounds familiar, I want you to listen closely. Stop posting random pins. There is a much smarter, more strategic, and largely automated way to turn Pinterest into a reliable affiliate income stream. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exact AI-powered system that fast-tracks your success. We'll cover how to build a high-converting funnel, from planning your content with AI to launching a targeted landing page, all designed to capture that ready-to-buy traffic. First, let's get one thing straight about what makes Pinterest so powerful. It's not a traditional social media platform. It's a visual discovery engine. Users aren't here to see what their friends had for lunch. They are actively planning their future purchases. They're searching for home office ideas, healthy meal prep recipes, or summer wedding guest outfits. This is a high-intent audience. They are in discovery mode, and that's the perfect time to introduce them to a solution: your affiliate product. The key is to stop interrupting and start integrating. Your content needs to be the answer they were already looking for. When you align your pins with this inherent buyer intent, you're not just another ad, you're a helpful resource, guiding them toward a purchase they already want to make. This mindset shift is the foundation of our entire strategy. To execute this strategy efficiently, we need a lean but powerful tool stack. We're not going to overcomplicate things. We need 3 core components. First, for our strategic planning and content scheduling, we'll use Before Sunset AI. This isn't just a calendar, it's an AI-powered project manager that helps us batch our work, plan our content themes, and automate our weekly schedule, saving us from the daily grind of content creation. Second, for our destination, we need a dedicated landing page. We'll use the Hostinger AI website builder for this. Why not link directly to the affiliate offer? Because a custom landing page acts as a crucial bridge. It warms up the traffic, builds trust, and pre-sells the offer, dramatically increasing conversion rates. Hostinger's AI makes building this page incredibly fast. And third, of course, is Pinterest itself. You'll need a free Pinterest business account to access analytics and advertising features, which are vital for tracking our success. This simple 3-part system is all you need to build a scalable affiliate machine. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step workflow, starting with planning. This is where most people fail. They post reactively. We're going to be proactive. Open up Before Sunset AI. The first thing we'll do is create a new project for our Pinterest strategy. Let's say our niche is sustainable home goods. Our goal is to plan an entire week of content in one sitting. This is called batching, and it's the secret to consistency. Inside our project, we'll create tasks for the week. Think in themes. For example, Monday's theme could be eco-friendly kitchen swaps. Tuesdays could be sustainable bedroom decor. Now, create the tasks associated with these themes. Research keywords for kitchen swaps. Design 10 kitchen theme pins. Write 10 kitchen theme descriptions. Repeat this for each theme. You're creating a production line for your content. Here's where the AI magic comes in. Once you've listed all your tasks for the week, you can use Before Sunset's AI Planner. You tell it your priorities and deadlines, and it automatically organizes these tasks into an optimized daily schedule. It intelligently groups similar activities, so you can stay in a state of flow, moving from design to writing to scheduling without context switching. This is how you go from spending an hour every day on Pinterest to spending just a few focused hours once a week. Your entire content plan is now mapped out, and you're ready for the next step: building the destination. Now let's build our tiny AI-optimized landing page. We're heading over to the Hostinger AI website builder. The goal here is speed and effectiveness. We're going to describe our page to the AI. Something like, create a clean conversion-focused landing page for an affiliate offer. The product is a set of sustainable bamboo kitchen utensils. The tone should be warm and eco-conscious. And just like that, Hostinger generates a complete professional-looking landing page in seconds. It's not just a blank template, it's populated with a relevant hero image, AI-generated copy, and a logical structure. This saves us hours of design and copywriting work. Now, we just need to refine it. A high-converting landing page has 4 key elements. First, a compelling headline that mirrors the promise of your pin. If your pin says, "the last kitchen utensils you'll ever need," Your headline should echo that. Second, a bulleted list of benefits, not just features. Don't just say, made of bamboo. Say, eco-friendly and durable, so you can cook with a clear conscience. Third, social proof. Even a simple testimonial or a quote can significantly boost trust. You can often find these on the affiliate product sales page. And fourth, a single, crystal clear call to action or CTA, a button that says, shop the sustainable set now, or get my eco-friendly utensils. Make sure this button contains your unique affiliate link, with UTM parameters added for tracking. Hostinger's drag and drop editor makes all of these tweaks incredibly simple. In under 30 minutes, you have a professional, conversion-optimized bridge page ready to go. With our destination ready, it's time to create the content that will drive traffic there. This begins with keyword research, right inside Pinterest. Use the search bar as your guide. Start typing a broad term like sustainable kitchen, and pay close attention to the auto-suggested phrases. These are the exact terms real users are searching for. Zero-waste kitchen organization, eco-friendly cleaning hacks. These are your content goldmines. Also, check out the Pinterest Trends tool for your region to see what's currently gaining momentum. Create a list of 10 to 15 primary and secondary keywords related to your affiliate product. Now, let's create the pins. Remember the tasks we batched in before sunset? It's time to execute. Use a tool like Canva to create several pin variations for each keyword group. Best practices are key here. Use a vertical 2.3 aspect ratio. Use high-quality images or short video clips of the product in use. Most importantly, add a bold text overlay with a hook-driven title. Something like, "The secret to a clutter-free, eco-friendly kitchen," is far more effective than just bamboo utensils. Your pin needs to stop the scroll and create curiosity. Once your pins are designed, it's time to publish and schedule. Upload your pin to Pinterest. For the title, use your primary keyword. For the description, write a helpful, natural-sounding paragraph that includes your primary and a few secondary keywords. This is crucial for helping the Pinterest algorithm understand what your pin is about and who to show it to. And in the destination link field, paste the URL to your Hostinger landing page. Now, using Pinterest's native scheduler, schedule this pin to be published to your most relevant board first. For example, a board named Sustainable Kitchen. Then, schedule it to be repinned to other related boards, like Eco-Friendly Home or Minimalist Living, over the next few weeks. This ensures your content gets maximum reach without you having to log in every day. Repeat this process for all the pins you created in your batch session. Now we enter the optimization phase. Your AI-powered system is running, but it's not a set-it-and-forget-it miracle. It's a set-it-and-refine-it system. After a week or two, dive into your Pinterest analytics. Ignore vanity metrics like impressions for now. Focus on what matters: outbound clicks and saves. Outbound clicks tell you if your pin's creative and copy are compelling enough to make someone take action. Saves tell you that your content is resonating and being bookmarked for future reference, a strong indicator of user intent. Identify your top-performing pins, the ones with the highest outbound click-through rate. What do they have in common? Is it the headline style, the color palette, the type of image? Use these insights to inform your next batch of content. This is also the time for A/B testing. Create two versions of a pin with one single difference. Maybe you change the headline, the main image, or the call to action text. Link them to the same landing page and see which one performs better. This data-driven approach allows you to systematically improve your results over time, refining your strategy based on what your audience actually responds to. Once you find a winning formula, it's time to scale. This doesn't mean working more, it means working smarter. Create templates from your best-performing pin designs. Now, creating new content is as simple as swapping out the text and image. You can also scale by expanding your keywords and creating new landing pages in Hostinger for different sub-niches or related products. The combination of Before Sunset for planning, Hostinger for rapid page building, and a template-based approach to pin creation means you can double or triple your output without doubling or tripling your workload. Your system becomes more efficient as it grows. So there you have it, a simple, scalable, and mostly automated system for turning Pinterest into a powerful affiliate marketing channel. We've moved from randomly posting content to strategically planning with Before Sunset AI. We've stopped sending valuable traffic to generic offer pages and started converting them on clean, optimized landing pages built with Hostinger. And we're using Pinterest's own algorithm to our advantage with keyword-rich pins that attract a ready-to-buy audience. This is the perfect workflow for busy creators, side hustlers, or anyone who wants to build a sustainable income stream without being chained to their desk every day. Are you ready to stop guessing and start scaling? The tools and the strategy are right here. Your first step is to try this combo for yourself. Head over to Hostinger to spin up your first AI-built landing page, and map out your first content week with Before Sunset AI. Link your first funnel today, and start turning those pins into profit.